Hi, this is Charlotte Hagos, and I'm in Long Beach, California.
Lino Curci from Italy.
My name is Ani Relkar and I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA.
This guy Williams from London.
Hey, my name's Cameron. I'm from Australia.
My name is Mark Smith from LA, California.
John Martin's here from Toronto, Canada.
Floyd Jones here from Pensacola, Florida. And I just love being part of the 12-Minute Affiliate family.
Hi, my name is Teresa from South Carolina. I made my first $900 sale while I was asleep in just 3 days after joining the system.
And I made my first sale in my sleep in just under 3 weeks.
Get my very first sale within 10 days.
Hey folks, my name is Russ Fi. I'm from Ellsworth, Maine, and I made my first sale while sleeping in less than a week after joining the 12-Minute Affiliate system.
I made my first sale within the first 2 days of joining the system.
And I just made my very first commission in just over 2 weeks.
In just 6 days after joining the system.
In the first week, I got 100 leads and I got one sale.
I started seeing results in just 2 days.
Hello there, beautiful people. Stephanie here from Austin, Texas. In 24 hours, I got my first sale while I was sleeping.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Donald down here in Tucson, Arizona. I just love the fact that it literally builds your email list for you, which is something that you get to hold on to.
When it comes to starting an internet business, there's nothing easier than the 12-Minute Affiliate system.
It's so simple.
I was able to achieve 30% opt-in rate.
Even a newbie can do it.
Hi, I'm Harold from Guelph, Canada. Devon's training is so detailed, even a 5-year-old can follow along.
It's almost like a business in a box.
This program is so great, so easy to do. Anybody can do it. A newbie can do this.
The system that Divan created is very, very easy to follow.
Hey, my name is Nejon Kuipat from Sacramento, California. The system is simple, easy and straightforward, and it'll keep working when you're sleeping.
Hey y'all, my name's Troy McLaughlin from Houston, Texas. Devon Brown has created a phenomenal program that is super easy to use.
Thanks 12-Minute Affiliate for making my life so much easier.